Hi, Trin Rios here. Hey, I'd just like to tell you about one of my mentors, Anthony Morrison. Now, Anthony Morrison I've been a student of Anthony Morrison now for a couple of years now. And I had the pleasure of meeting Anthony at a internet marketing event a couple of years ago. Hey, I was very impressed by Anthony's presentation at that event. And I was really glad to be able to finally meet him after studying for a couple of years. Now, being a student of Anthony Morrison, and I have purchased several of his courses, and his courses are excellent, He truly cares about you, about me, in the way he presents his courses. It's very direct, no fluff, just information that you need, and he presents it in such a way that it's very easy to follow, step-by-step procedure. You can't go wrong. Now, one of my other mentors that I follow a lot is our Bob Proctor and Tony Robbins. I read their books, I watch them on YouTube, I listen to their podcasts, and I basically really like both Bob Proctor and Tony Robbins. Now, several years ago, watching a YouTube video of Tony Robbins, he said, if you want to reach something great, follow somebody who's been there, who's gone through the heartaches and is finally at the place that you want to be. So, when you find this person, you read what they said, you watch their videos, you read their books, you try and contact them and say, hey, I want to be like you. I want to get where you're at right now. So, follow Tony Robbins' advice, meeting up with my mentor, Anthony Morrison. I took some of his courses, I followed him, and hey, he's an excellent instructor. Now, if you don't know Tony's Robbins's story, he's a good follower, a good presenter, makes great presentations, I'm sorry. And as he said again, if you want to reach something high, follow that person. Get to know him and do what he does. Follow him and model him. Do what he does, and eventually you'll get where he's at. Simple as that. So, following his advice, hooked up with Anthony Morrison, and one thing Anthony has done, he's always updating his courses. He has a slew of courses that are excellent. And he's just come out with a new program called Partner with Anthony. Now, in this program, Anthony, in case you don't know his story, he was in college about 14 years ago, and his dad got into financial problems, was on the verge of losing his house. So, Anthony wanted to be able to help his dad, started and created this online business. Now, you're going to believe this, but in a very short time, Anthony was making $200,000 a month. $200,000 a month. Now, his college professors, they never made $200,000 in 2 or 3 years, much less a month. Now, this was going great guns for my buddy Anthony Morrison. Now, this went on for a while, but as all happens, Google changed things, and Anthony went from making $200,000 a month to losing it all, being broke. But being the good entrepreneur that he is, he created another business, and now, several years later, Anthony is a multimillionaire, owns several businesses. Each of these businesses are making $1 million. He knows what he's doing. He knows how to do it. So, being a good student of Anthony and of Tony Robbins, I started to emulate Anthony, taking his courses, following him step by step. And as soon as he came out with this program, Partner with Anthony, I said, man, this is the one I want to do. I'm going to follow Anthony. So I joined up. Hey, this is a great program. Anthony's a great instructor. So if you want to do what Anthony's done, well, he's not promising anything. He's smart. He says, hey, I'm not going to promise you anything. It all depends upon you. I can show you how to do it. I can tell you how to do it, but you got to do it. And if you don't do it, you're not going to get anywhere in success. So in his new program, Partner with Anthony, he takes you step by step how to build an online business that makes money. You can't go wrong if you follow Anthony and do what he tells you to do. So if you're really interested in this new program, Partner with Anthony, I'm going to post a link below this video so you can click on this link. Hey, the program only costs you $7 a month. $7 a month. That's less than a Big Mac, a big drink, and an order of large fries at McDonald's. How can you go wrong? You can't go wrong. So, click the link below, share this video, like it, comment below, share it with your family and friends. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. Now, you can't go wrong. If you watch the video that Anthony's going to present on this link below, and if you don't like it, hey, no harm done, no foul, no harm done, okay? So, seriously, click the link below, watch Anthony's video, and if you want to really make business on a going business online, check this out. You can't go wrong, okay? So take care. God bless.